This 2025 Thor Motor Coach ACE 30C is a Class A RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a Shadow Birch, Sunlit Silver interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach ACE 30C is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.